Hey there! Welcome to your sports betting news brought to you by Leanz.com. We're diving into a headline that's causing quite a stir in the sports world. A sports betting fight is headed to the United States Supreme Court. In the heart of this conflict are the owners of two Florida pari-mutuels, Magic City Casino in Miami-Dade County and Bonita Springs Poker Room in Southwest Florida. They're gearing up to challenge a multi-billion-dollar deal that's handed the Seminole Tribe the reins of sports betting across the state. This arrangement allows for mobile sports betting, with all bets being run through servers located on tribal lands. But here's where things get contentious. A Washington, D.C.-based appeals court recently shrugged off a request to reconsider a ruling that found the agreement to be within the boundaries of federal law. This didn't sit well with the owners, who argue that the decision is at odds with other appellate rulings. They're not just fighting this out of principle. They're concerned that this could trigger a drastic shift in public policy on legalized gaming. So, what's their argument? Well, they claim the ruling conflicts with other appellate rulings and could cause a significant shift in public policy on legalized gaming. Now let's unpack this. The core of the controversy lies in the specifics of the deal. The deal in question is a multi-billion-dollar agreement that gives the Seminole Tribe exclusive control over sports betting in Florida. Not just in casinos, but it also allows for mobile sports betting throughout the state. Here's the catch. All bets are run through servers located on tribal lands, cleverly circumventing the laws that regulate gambling. However, this arrangement didn't sit well with everyone. A federal judge previously invalidated parts of the compact, calling this setup a fiction, that just because the servers are on tribal lands, doesn't mean that the betting is actually happening there. Owners of Magic City Casino and Bonita Springs Poker Room are now challenging this ruling. They argue that the decision conflicts with other appellate rulings and could drastically change public policy on legalized gaming. So the owners want the panel's decision to be put on hold while they seek Supreme Court review. Let's consider why this case is of such significance. It's critical to acknowledge the potential far-reaching implications of this single verdict. This isn't just about Florida. It could set a precedent for the entire nation to follow. It could a shift in public policy on legalized gaming, a shift that is far from trivial. We're talking about a colossal multi-billion-dollar deal that could completely reshape the economics of the sports betting industry. The proposed arrangement would permit mobile sports betting in the state, with bets run through servers situated on tribal lands. This case could be the catalyst for similar deals nationwide. An industry shift of this magnitude could trigger exponential growth in sports betting, potentially altering the face of sports as we know it. The stakes are sky high, and all eyes are glued to the Supreme Court's imminent decision. As we wrap up, the question on everyone's mind is, how will the Supreme Court rule on this case? This is a significant moment in the world of sports and betting. The outcome of this case could change the landscape of sports betting in Florida, and potentially, the entire country. Will the Supreme Court uphold the appellate court's decision, allowing the Seminole Tribe to maintain control over sports betting in the state? Or could we see a shift in the balance of power, opening up opportunities for others to enter the sports betting world? This is a complex issue that dives deep into the intricacies of federal and tribal laws, public policy, and the ever-evolving world of sports betting. So we're eager to hear your perspective. Whether you're a sports enthusiast, a betting aficionado, a legal eagle, or just someone with a keen interest in societal issues, your insights can add value to this discussion. So what do you think? How will the Supreme Court rule on this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. Leanz is the fastest, easiest, and most secure way to bet on sports. Plus, you can get started in minutes so you can start winning today. Leanz.com